Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am here Ms. Razia Ahmed, your science teacher of class 3 students. Today's date is 20 August 2021 and the day is Friday and subject is science magic, which is included in GK. What is the topic of the day today? Today's topic of the day is say sorry. Why you say sorry? When you say sorry, for example, when you make a mistake, you must say sorry. You don't make and hidden your mistake. For example, you make a mistake and you hidden. आप अपनी mistake को छुपाइए नहीं. You must say sorry and accept your mistake also. This is your science book, Amazing Science. And this is a unit 1 topic living thing. And the vocabulary words. What is the meaning of carnivores? That meaning is which animal that only eat meat. It called carnivores. And which animals, and we all are omnivores because some animals and we all are human being eat both things. Like we human being eat meat and plants, and some animals also eat meat and plant. It is called the omnivores. Carnivores. Animals that eat the meat and other animals are called carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, dogs and cat are called carnivores. The dog is also a carnivore. And the cat is also example of carnivorous animals. And the tiger, lion is also carnivorous animals because they only eat meat. Omnivores. Human being and some other animals eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivores, like hens and many birds like crows and omnivores. So omnivores, they are like examples are hens and many birds like crows, and they are all are called omnivores. Yes, this is examples of omnivores and organisms that eat plants and animals. They are all are called omnivores like mouse. Sometimes dog and cat also eat a grass, and turtle, bear, and we all are human being are omnivores because we all and some animals eat both things, plants and animals, meat like meat. They all are called omnivores like dog, cat, crow, hen, ant, squirrel, cockroach, pig, peacock, mouse, teddy bear, monkeys and bat, some kinds of lizards, sparrows, cat, ostrich. They all are omnivores. So here is some more examples of omnivores. Like we all are human beings are called omnivores because we all are eat plants and meat, and monkeys, dog, mouse, bear, squirrel, they all are called omnivores animals. How is food used? You know, students, the food that is taken into the body is broken down into simple particles. So it is used by the body to grow, and some food is stored in the body and can be used later. So like camel stored the food and water in a hump, and they can be used later. So in animals, food is stored as a layer of fat under the skin. Okay, hens are two omnivores, you know, students. In plants, foods is stored in the stems, roots and seeds. It is also stored in the leaves and fruits. So plants are also stored food in their stems and roots and seeds and leaves also. Okay, so in some plants, food is stored in roots. So students, what are the meaning of carnivores animals? That eat only meat eater animal, they are called a carnivores. And herbivores, they are only eat a plants. And omnivores, they all are eat both things like plants and animals. So this is today's question. What are carnivores? You have to write down in your notebook and submit a picture into a Google Classroom. And also give some examples. What are omnivores? This is your home task. Learn the definition of carnivores and omnivores. In the next class, we will do the exercise of the Unit 1 activities also. Thank you so very much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.